In this video, we're going to walk you through the system map so you can quickly understand where your hotspots are and also identify your refactoring targets. So to navigate to the system maps, simply click Explore Codebase under the Average Code Health KPI. You'll be presented with a view similar to this. Each circle represents a file in the codebase, and the larger the circle, the more lines of code. Now with this view, we're looking at all of the files by code health, where red represents low code health and green represents green healthy code. Now to find out where your activity is taking place, where your hotspots are, simply click on the Hotspots button. And now the darker the circle basically represents more development activities taking place. So these are your hotspots. Now with CodeScene, we combine both to provide you with refactoring targets. And to access them, simply click the refactoring targets button. And now CodeScene has presented a couple of files where it feels would be really good refactoring targets because they're hotspots, they're being worked on regularly, and they're low in code health, i.e. expensive to maintain. So this would be a really good place to start.